We've got a picture.
Hi, I'm Ben Cohen, or a reasonable facsimile thereof. I started Ben & Jerry's, but there are some things in life that are even more important than ice cream. So now I'm working with TrueMajority.org, over 300,000 of us that are taking America back from the current craziness. Here's one of the things we're working on. The federal budget affects everybody, but it's so big that nobody can figure it out.
Federal budget? What do I care?
What do you care? It's your money. And it's why college scholarships have dried up, our public schools are broke, and there's 12 million kids growing up in poverty. Well, these are serious problems. Now, I'm a dessert guy. So when I'm faced with a serious problem, I think about dessert. In this case, Oreo cookies. Let's say one cookie equals $10 billion. The Pentagon's annual budget is 40 cookies, or $400 billion a year. So how much do you think we spend on this other stuff? Not much. And that's why our schools don't work and children are left out in the cold. The government makes it sound like it's impossible to solve these problems, but it's not. Here's how we could do it. Just take 5 cookies a year off this pile. Use 1 cookie to rebuild our schools, 1 to eliminate our need for Mideast oil, and 2 to feed all of the 6 million starving kids around the world. Then take the last cookie, you've all done this before, and use half to provide health insurance and a quarter to provide Head Start for every kid that needs it. You can eat the other quarter cookie, but remember, that's $2.5 billion. Try not to choke.
But that's gonna make our armed forces too weak. How are we supposed to pay for our nukes and our new jet fighters and submarines? We'll be vulnerable.
Vulnerable to who? Russia, our highest spending potential enemy, spends 7 cookies worth, and they're actually an ally. The military budget of China, the next highest spender, is 5 cookies, and they're a major trading partner.
What about the axis of evil? We need those cookies to help fight terrorism.
Those guys combined spend less than 1 cookie, not even a whole cookie. So, as you can see, it's possible to pay for all these social needs and still have more than enough left over to deal with these guys.
You're starting to make sense, Ice Cream Man, but there's got to be more to it than tossing cookies around. How can I accomplish anything? I'm just one person.
Well, we're all just one person. But True Majority puts us together in such a powerful way that politicians sit up and take notice. So if you want to do something about the way our cookies are crumbling, join True Majority. It's free, it's fun, and it only takes about 2 minutes a month.